Going on? We're here at the team draw 15, 16, second half of each case. We'll take this live. Dice roll, same dice roll for both. No snake eyes. 11:37 a.m. Central Time. Let's do the owners first. 10 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rob on top. Imagine that, Rob. First time ever on my randomizers, and it doesn't really matter. There we go. We're going 10. Going over here, we're going 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oakland for Rob, we know. Alright, you guys can get a quick look at it there. Push pause watching the video. I'll put a list up also. Come over here, make this official. Done. 11:38. Good luck, everybody.